In this video, I'll show you how to reset and undo custom display scaling from 500% to 100% in Windows. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational kinds of content like this. At first, click on your start bar, click on your settings. Once you've clicked on your settings, you're going to wait for it to load up, right? Once it has opened up, you're going to click on this display, right? Once you click on it, you're going to see this scale. Click on this scale, click on it. Right now, you can see this. Enter a custom scaling size between 100 to 500, right? And the 500 is not recommended because if you even go back and adjust this from 150 to 1 to even 200, you're gonna see how big this is gonna appear, right? So imagine times 2 of this, right? It would cover your whole PC screen and everything. So I don't think it's really that necessary for you to do that, right? So I'm just giving an advice. So you can just come on here and adjust it to 500. Once you are done, you're going to click on this, and once you click on this, your PC would automatically turn off, right? And once you have turned it on, everything would appear times 2 of 250 scale size percent. So I don't think you're going to do that, right? I don't think it's really necessary to do that, but this is where you can turn it on or off, right? You can change it from here. So if you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you all in the very next one.